In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SSL on your Squarespace website. SSL, which stands for Secure Sockets Layer, is a crucial feature for ensuring that any data exchanged between your visitors and your website remains private and secure. Not only does it protect sensitive information, but it also enhances your site's credibility and improves its search engine ranking. A win-win for your online presence. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process to get your SSL up and running. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Squarespace homepage. This is the starting point for all the modifications you'll be making today. So go ahead and log in, and once you're in, make sure everything looks familiar, just to ensure you're in the right place. Now let's move on to the next step. From the homepage, you will need to navigate to the settings. You should find this option in your main navigation menu. Clicking on settings will open up a wide range of options, but don't worry, it's all part of customizing and fine-tuning your website to your liking. Within the settings menu, look for the Developer Tools section. This area is where you'll find more advanced options that allow you to tweak the technical aspects of your site, including enabling SSL. Developer Tools might sound intimidating, but we promise to guide you through it smoothly. Once you're in the Developer Tools section, the next step is straightforward. Simply click on SSL. This area is dedicated to configuring secure connections for your website. Enabling SSL ensures that any data passed between your visitors and your server is encrypted, thus protecting sensitive information such as credit card numbers or personal details. Within the SSL settings, you'll see an option labeled Secure Preferred. This is our destination. Select this choice to enable SSL on your site. Choosing this option tells Squarespace that you want all traffic between your server and visitors to be encrypted using SSL, offering an added layer of security. After making this selection, make sure you save your settings. Squarespace won't automatically apply these changes, so be sure to click on the Save button. This final step is crucial as it ensures that all your hard work is stored and reflected on your live site. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled SSL for your Squarespace website. This secure setup not only protects your users, but also boosts your site's credibility and search rankings. Remember, keeping your website secure is an ongoing process, so consider checking in on your site's settings regularly. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Happy web designing!